Welcome back to our channel. Delighted that you have decided to join us. And we hope you enjoy each video. Today we are going to talk about red-winged blackbird. Historically, the red-shouldered blackbird was considered an unusual subspecies of the widespread red-winged blackbird, Agelaius venesis. Red-shouldered blackbirds are endemic to the marshes of Cuba. The males look very much like red-winged blackbirds, but the females are not streaked, but are solidly black, similar to the male, but lacking the red and yellow epaulet. In red-shouldered blackbirds, the male and female are also of a similar size. The two sing a very similar song and often duet with each other. When foraging for the young, the males and females provision at similar rates, and the overall breeding system is monogamous, quite in contrast to the polygynous breeding system of the red-winged blackbird. In addition, juvenile plumages are blackish unlike the adults. It was the behavioral differences of the red-shouldered blackbird that first alerted biologists to the potential that this was a different species from the red-winged blackbird. But more recently this has been confirmed by molecular techniques, and it also appears clear that the red-shouldered and red-winged are each other's closest relative, with the tricolored blackbird, Agelaius tricolor, an earlier branch in this group of related species. Otherwise, little is known about these blackbirds. They nest in marshes, and stay in marshes throughout the year. They also feed within their territories, and do not exit the territory to feed elsewhere, from where they are nesting, as is typical in North American marsh nesting blackbirds. Male is black with slight bluish gloss, lesser upper wing covers red, median covers yellow buff, iris dark brown, bill and legs black. Differs from extremely similar, A. venesis in smaller size and longer legs. Female is entirely black, like male, but less iridescent, and lacking colored epaulets. Immature male has epaulet reduced in size and paler, immature female more brownish. Insects and other arthropods, small vertebrates, fruits and seeds, also discarded food scraps. Forages mostly on ground. Forms flocks, sometimes quite large ones, often associates with A. humerus and Taloxina troviolacea.
Black overall plumage and red and yellow wing epaulets are one of the most easily recognized of all of our birds. Most casual observers almost instinctively recognize the males as blackbirds of some kind, and those red epaulets are such a flashy field mark that narrowing them down to red-winged blackbirds is typically an easy task. Female red-winged blackbirds are 50% smaller than males by weight, and their definitive plumage is far less conspicuous, as illustrated by this female. Even their behavior is much less conspicuous, so they're less often noticed than males. Adult females are mottled brown on their dorsal surfaces with a prominent pale eyebrow stripe and a pink to buffy throat. Females have heavily streaked breasts and bellies, as illustrated when my bird turned on her perch. The legs and feet of adult males are black, but in females they're dark brown or dusky, often appearing blackish. Males have black bills, while the bills of females and juveniles tend to be dark brown above and brown to light brown below, with some variation. Juveniles of both sexes resemble females, but are duller. Female red-winged blackbirds. During the breeding season, males are highly conspicuous during their incessant, rowdy and noisy displays in the marsh.
Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe.